How to change the text size to make it smaller or larger on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. Next in here, tap on Text Size and then drag on the slider bar at the bottom to increase or decrease the text size. And that's it. Now you can see if I drag it to the right, the text will be larger. And if I drag it to the left, it will be smaller. Now let's take a look what happened when I select the largest text size. If I go back to my menu, you can see everything seems to be larger. And if I go back in here, so text size, display and brightness, then text size, and I go back one more. So the text size has now decreased a little bit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.